HEPA bag. There's a scent tablet in there. You can control the amount of air freshener that gets released. Tools, basic Hoover tools, height adjustment, belt check indicator. My favorite Elite series machine. Probably the only Elite series machine that I really care for anymore. Definitely made better than the cheaper Elites. Yeah, that's the brush roll. The bearings are alright, but they're not in the best shape anymore. Overall, still a very nice vacuum. Probably my favorite newer Hoover that I have.